Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix guided access not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have turn off guided access and turn it on again. If your guided access triple click is not working, the first method probably is not applicable in your situation. In this case, you need to have setting open and then you have click on accessibility and then you have toggle on guided access, toggle on and turn on back off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. The next solution is to soft reset your iPhone. The procedure is also known as a forced restart. There are a couple of reasons where restarting your smartphone fixes most problem, making it a go-to solution for technical issue like this. Third solution, you have update your iPhone. iOS updates often coming with bug fix and performance improvements. Therefore, you can resolve your iPhone guided access problem by ensuring that you have updated your iOS latest version on your iPhone. So you have opened the setting and then you have click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. If your iPhone guided access is still not working, the last solution, you can try it to reset all setting on your iPhone. Go to the setting and then click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset our setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting. The procedure restore all setting on your iPhone to the default state as long as you follow the above instructions carefully and then tap the correct buttons. Reset assured that you wanna delete any data on your iPhone. Last solution, you have factory reset iPhone or iPad. Factory resetting an effective way to put your device into default status. As a result, the unworkable guided access feature might go away. If you want to adopt this method, please backup your data first, then go to the setting and then you have click on general. So then you have again click on transfer reset, scroll up, then we have click on erase all content, then we have copy on your any device USB drive, then you have restore your data on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.